My name is Dr. Chukwe Lekaume, and I'm here to share with you a small fraction of what my father, Professor Emeritus J. Umu Igbo, taught me about Igbo spirituality. Now, Igbo or African spirituality is based on the basic tenet that the world was created by Chukwu Abiyama, the supreme spirit that is knowledge and wisdom that reveals itself. It is also based on the basic tenets of the knowledge of good and bad, right and wrong. Igbos believe that for there to be balance in the world, there must be balance in humanity, which is where the golden rule of do unto others as you want them to do to you comes into play. In Igbo land, we say, which translates to, the spirit child should not mistreat the human child, and human child should not mistreat the spirit child. Igbo or African spirituality spans many varied but intertwined subjects that touch on Chukwu, Dibia, Chi, Awo, Idemili, Ana, Afa, Owo, and so on and so forth. Each of these are subjects that take a lifetime of dedicated study to start to scratch the surface. It is not a subject that can be taught online or just by reading a few books or manuscripts. And one must have a spiritual foundation of some sort to even begin to understand the basic teachings. Now, to help the uninitiated in the journey of life, we were given the Dibia. In the simplest definition, a Dibia is a master of knowledge and wisdom. Before one can delve deeper into Igbo spirituality, there are some very basic ideologies that one must understand and embrace. Now, the first one is truth. Whoever intends to pursue Igbo or African spirituality needs to stick to the truth. It is not for those whose intentions are to deceive, defraud, or mislead. You cannot say one thing and practice another. Whoever approaches it with falsehood will pay dearly here or in the hereafter. Life is a continuum, and the evil that one does must be paid for either during one's lifetime or thereafter. And there's only one truth, and that is truth. It is not a subject of debate, and it's not a subject of argument or negotiation. In Igbo land, we say, Ezioku Bondo, truth is life.